gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain. Hey guys, welcome to my birthday vlog. So today is actually the 13th of July. My birthday was yesterday, but yesterday was such a sad day for me, honestly. I felt so lonely for the most part, but yeah, in the evening my family had a little braai for me, and a cake. I didn't vlog much. I was honestly not in the mood anymore. I applied makeup. I looked so pretty. I'm gonna put the boomerang that I took, or pictures that I took, on the side just for you guys to see. So I thought, you know what, I am taking myself out. It was supposed to be brunch, but I think it's like past 12 right now. I'm parked by somewhere here. I'm gonna walk to the daily grind because I've been meaning to go to the daily grind. The daily grind led 267. So yeah, I promised myself, you know what, that's actually something I'm gonna do for myself. So yeah, I just want to have a mimosa. A friend of mine recommended the, I don't think, Mexican something, but it's breakfast. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have that because I haven't eaten anything all day. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna have that with a mimosa, order maybe a slice of cake or something. I'll see what they have. So yeah, I did my makeup, this pink eyeshadow, because I'm gonna wear my pink shoes from Mr. Price. Thank God it's sunny today, so I'm not feeling cold, but I do have a blazer. Get a crop top. Remember the top that I said I got from the Fix, the one that was on sale? I'm wearing that, so I feel like it's quite revealing. So I'm gonna put a blazer on top. I'm not gonna wear it, I'm just gonna put it on top, and then when I sit down I'm gonna take it off because it's a Wednesday. I'll probably be with the corporate girlies and who's this one? But yeah, I don't want to feel out of place, to be honest. So yeah, I just thought, let me start this vlog right here, and then let's go. We're gonna pretend today's my birthday. So yeah, happy birthday to me. Yeah guys, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm on my way home. Bakang decided to join me for brunch. Let me take a call real quick. Hey guys, I'm leaning forward because the lighting is better that way. So I just got back home, so Adrizi decided to join me at the daily grind. First I had a mocha, and then I was just waiting for her, so I didn't order anything to eat. So she came, I ordered a salad. I honestly don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's really nice. I think you guys saw the video. At first I tasted it, I was like, I'm not sure. So there was a lemon on the side, so I squeezed the lemon in, and then I changed the whole entire salad. Okay, really love it, except the peanuts that they used. So, but it's really nice. I couldn't finish it because I'm one person who eats first and then drink after. But since I was waiting for a drizzy, I ordered a mocha. I had that, so I was kind of full when the food came. But yeah, I had a salad as well as a mimosa. And then yeah, she ordered a something sandwich. Yeah, I took a video as well. I don't know how she feels about it. Well, she did like it. Yeah, I tasted her fries. Her fries are to die for. Oh, I love them. But yeah, I didn't taste her sandwich. Honestly, I didn't feel like it. So yeah, I just thought, let me update you guys. I'm home now. Well, we decided to go to GU station after that because we saw a very nice jean, a black one side and then blue the other side. Went there, I tried it on. Havana size 32. I tried on a size 34, was too big, so I didn't get one. But I got, hold on, but I got the skirt. It's a skirt that you can adjust, like it has this ruching thing on the side or both sides. So yeah, you can basically make it short or long depending on your mood for the day. So yeah, I just thought, let me show you guys. It's a new feeling. I got a size large. It looks like a size small. So yeah, it was 50 pula. It was 50 pula. That's all I got. I'm gonna try it on and then I'll put a little clip on the side. So yeah, I'm honestly just home to pick the kids up and then we're gonna go to home sale. So yeah, I did laundry in the morning, so I'm gonna pick it from the line. I washed my bedding as well, so I might make my bed and then take the laundry into the room. I'm gonna fold it up after home sale. So yeah, that's just it about my day today. So yeah, is there anything I'm forgetting? Is there anything I'm forgetting? Nah, I'm not forgetting anything. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I'm literally just here to do a little unboxing with you guys. So my boyfriend was here, I think I did say in the vlog. So he honestly just came to drop off my gift among a lot of things that he got me. I want to show you guys. I actually want to do an unboxing with you guys. So last night I couldn't wait because I could see everything else in the paper bag. Like I could see literally what it is, except this little thing that was wrapped in a, yeah, it was wrapped really nicely. It was cute. So I wanted to find out what it is, but it was late and I thought, you know what, the lighting is not the best, but I want to record the, you know, me wrapping out the paper, whatever. So I shot a little clip which I'm gonna insert right now as I'm talking. So yeah, he got me, drum roll. So he got me, guys, Kimote, I'm inside. I am inside. I've been wanting to try this. So I was gonna go to Foshini to smell it, just to, you know, check if I like it or not. But I am 100% sure I'm going to love it. I've heard nothing but good reviews about this perfume. Like literally, I've heard nothing but good reviews. So yeah, I remember somebody saying if you like black opium, you are definitely going to love this one. So it is the YSL Libre. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct, okay? Motswana. So I'm so happy, guys. It's actually the Intense. So it's the Libre Intense. Don't mind me. Let's unbox. Let us unbox, child. So I still don't know how this perfume smells like. But like I'm saying, I watched Ona Oliphant has it. I watched Zizi Muloko. She has it. Just a lot of people are talking about this perfume, child. a lot of people were talking about this perfume. So I remember when I was in my halape, like recently for Bay's birthday, I was in my halape, I watched this vlog and I'm like, dude, I've been meaning to smell this perfume. I feel like I'm going to love it. I feel like I need this perfume. I don't even know how it smells, but I feel like I need it. Kanti, he was listening. So he decided, girl, you're gonna have it. You're gonna have it, baby. So yeah, let's unbox. Literally, this is the box. And you open inside. Yo, nah, hi. Woo. So yeah, this is me. This is me. This is what the bottle looks like. It's really dark, as the review said. Really dark. So yeah, let me spray a chow. You know. Ud. Ah, guys, I love it. We're actually traveling this weekend. This will be my scent. Get on your nail. Literally. Bye, guys. My client is here. I need to go. You. I can't. Okay, bye. I need to go. Also, I forgot to tell you guys about how amazing the service at the Daily Grind is. Wow. Yo. We'll talk about it in this, like, later on in this vlog when I remember. Right now, I need to go. I smell good. Bye. You know. You. Thank you. Did you
I'm not your best friend anymore.
Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is a Saturday. From a holiday, basically we are on the long weekend. Oh my god, my top. Anyways, we are heading to Orapa, my family and I. So right now I'm with my cousin and the babies. We are also gonna go with my boo. So we are stationing. We are going to Orapa because my uncle is having it's my uncle's birthday tomorrow, Sunday. So we are throwing a surprise party basically. So we're gonna be having brunch and then we're gonna go somewhere to the park or something like that, and then we're gonna have a braai and bonfire later on in the night. So yeah, that's our plan. And I thought, let me just add this to the vlog. Okay, I honestly wanted to do my hair. I wanted to plait carrot but it wasn't possible because I was busy. I had too many bookings and yeah, I just couldn't do my hair. I tried to call the lady who does my hair in my halape, but she's booked for the day. She's only gonna have a slot around 4 p.m. and honestly I can't leave. So I think I'm just gonna style my hair, probably put it in a pony or wear a wig. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do, but I did take my wig and then I have hair that I'll put in a ponytail. So yeah, that's just it. Let's go.
Maybe you can have it. If I put it down, you can take it. Baby, can you take it? If I put it down, you can have it. Maybe you can have it.
The next day.
Hey guys, today is a Sunday and we are going to, well, we're in Orapa. We slept here, so we are going to the Tlhakaneko Pudzi guest house. That's where it's no longer a brunch, it's a lunch now, but yeah, that's where we're going to all meet, and then I guess we're gonna have food, do the species and all that, and then after that we're gonna go to the park. So yeah, the theme is black jeans for both men and women, and then the ladies are supposed to be wearing heels and blazers, any color.
Right there.
For sure. And then the guys are supposed to be wearing black jeans with jerseys and sneakers gonna lechesa. So yeah, I'm wearing all black. I'm gonna wear this red blazer. Well, I'm just gonna put it on. I'm not gonna like wear it literally. Yeah, and then after that we're gonna change. We are supposed to be wearing printed jackets that are, I guess, customized. So the men are gonna be wearing the military ones, the ladies are gonna be wearing the white ones, the sleeveless. I'll show you guys everything. So yeah, let's go. I hope we're gonna have fun. I have a good feeling about today, so let's go. Hey guys, so we just left. We left the guest house. We are at my uncle's house. We are at my uncle's house, the birthday man.
The day boy.
Birthday boy. Yeah, so yeah, we we're gonna have a braai. We wanted to go to the park, but apparently the park closes at 5, so no, it's quite late. So we're gonna go tomorrow morning. For now, we're just at his house. They just started the fire. We're gonna have a braai and bonfire. We got our jackets. I really like mine. Oops, sorry. I really like mine. It's actually nude, not white. But yeah, I love it. It's gonna match my boots. That's what's written on it. Woo, sorry. That's the branding. Yeah. So, so yeah, let's enjoy the party.
Are you taking a video?
Yes, my darling.
Should I read?
Wait.
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.
Not yet. What's it a video?
Yes, sir. Orapa Dipswana. Orapa and the Takane mines. The welcoming of white.
You could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, 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 oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive. You got me singing, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh,